My goal was to create a budget that was reflective of the real-world safety needs that we have throughout the state of California and has a strong emphasis on investing in services that help reduce recidivism and addresses children mental health crisis services. Additionally, I'm proud to say that we have put forward $50 million in grant funding to provide shelters for homeless, victims of human trafficking, rape, and domestic violence. Plus, we have budgeted an additional $10 million to continue services addressing the needs of human trafficking victims. This would mean our shelters across the state of California will not have to turn away any of the individuals which are our most vulnerable populations simply because we don't have enough funding. California has been a top destination spot for human trafficking, and the Assembly, under the leadership of Speaker Rendon, is putting forward a plan to help address this. Some of the other main highlights from this committee are increasing access to justice by investing in the state's court system, addressing costs associated with training and deployment of body cameras, funding the dependency council programs and the equal access funds to ensure that at-risk and vulnerable populations are appropriately represented and have true access to justice, providing the necessary staff to appropriately maintain the cures database, ensuring that the state is doing all it can to reduce prescription drug abuse, addressing violent crime spikes by funding programs from a regional task force to make sure that neighborhoods continue to be safe. We see this across the state of California, where crime continues to go up in certain populations, in certain areas in our communities, and increasing funding for community service in Proposition 47. I'm looking forward to continuing to have a strong dialogue with my colleagues around the budget, and I know that this plan around public safety will continue to address the issues that face our families in California and make California a great place to live.